Welcome back to the LeadQuizzes 3 Academy. In this video, we're going to show you how to add the embed and tracking code to your website so that way you can embed your quizzes and they appear properly onto your web page. So in order to do this, we need to go to the embed and tracking option right here in the top right-hand corner. Now this embed and tracking code is going to allow not only for responsiveness when you're embedding your quiz, but it's going to allow us to provide better analytics for you. So once we come out with our advanced analytics, you're going to get advanced tracking. It's going to be much better for you. So you need to make sure you add this tracking code to your site. Now, if you have trouble doing this, we do have some help docs you can click here and it'll show you how to do this for your particular type of site. In this case, I'm going to be showing you how to do this for a site that is built on WordPress. So all we need to do is first copy this code. So we're going to click copy to clipboard. And then we're going to go over to our WordPress and we're going to be adding this into the tag manager or the head tag on every page that we wish to track visitors. So I'm going to head over to my WordPress dashboard that I have here. And now I have a plugin that I use. And this plugin allows me to add head and footer code. So the plugin is just called head and footer code that I have right here. It allows us to easily add site-wide or article-specific custom code to the head and or footer section. So this is what I recommend. It's one of the easiest plugins you can use to add this code. We're going to go ahead and click settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to show us a couple different things. We have head code and we have footer code, and then we can save changes. All we need to do is take our LeadQuizzes 3 embed and tracking code, paste it into the head code there, and we're going to click save changes. So that just went ahead and added that code to the header of my entire page or my entire site that I have built on WordPress. So now that I've done that, we're going to go back over to LeadQuizzes. We're going to click I have installed the tracking code. And then it's going to ask us to put in the website URL where we added that tracking code. So because I've added it to my entire website page, I can go ahead and put in my website page. And then I'm going to click verify. It's going to open up another window. It's going to be checking that site to see if the pixel is located there. Sometimes it can take a second for it to show up. So it's saying that it hasn't been verified yet just because it can take a couple of minutes for it to go through. So if that happens to you, just wait about a minute or so, then click verify again, and it'll go ahead and verify the code again. So you can just do this a couple times because we know that it's in place. And eventually you're going to see that green success message that tells us the verification and tracking code has been added. So now that we have the code added, we're going to be able to add our embed code for our quiz that we created. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in the next video.